Hey guys, welcome to my channel Karthi Little Express. In today's video, we are going to discuss some surprising facts about the sneezing. At last, we will have a small quiz on the topic we have discussed. God bless you. Have you said God bless you when someone besides you is sneezing? Do you know what's the actual reason behind that? Okay, before that we will discuss some surprising things about the sneezing, and then we will see why we are saying God bless you. What is a sneeze? A sneeze is nothing but the cleaning mechanism of the nose. To get rid of the bacteria or the pollutant enters into the nose sneezes. How do we sneeze? When a pollutant enters into our nose, the nerves in the nose carries the message to the brain. The brain then orders the nose to sneeze and to get rid of that pollutant. Speed of the sneeze. Do you know what is the speed of the sneeze? The speed of the sneeze is nearly 100 kilometers per hour. Sorry, 100 miles per hour means nearly 160 kilometers per hour. When we sneeze, nearly about more than 1 lakh of bacteria enters into the air. Will our heart stop beating when we sneeze? No, the heart will never stop beating when we sneeze. The heart is always healthy when even if we sneeze. It's only something like the flow rate of blood to the heart may decreases at that time. Nothing more than that will happen when we sneeze. Why do people started saying God bless you when we sneeze? It's a small bedtime story. When long ago in Rome, the people are dying because of the plague. At that time, because of the lack of the proper knowledge, they started believing that actually the symptoms of that plague are sneezing and coughing. So they started believing that the people are dying because of sneezing and coughing. So the church, some pope at that time to advised the people to say God bless you whenever someone besides them is sneezing, so that the God will bless them and they won't die. But that's not the proper reason. That's not the proper reason for their dying. They died actually of the plague. Quiz. So let's look into the quiz. First one. Do the person will die if you won't say God bless you when you sneeze when he sneezes? No, a person will never die even if we won't say God bless you when he sneezes. Only the rate of the blood flow to the heart may decreases for some time during the sneeze, but after that he will be normal. Will our heart stops when we sneeze? No, the heart never stops when we sneeze. Will our eyeballs comes out when we sneeze? No, our eyeballs are strongly embedded in their sockets. They won't come out when we sneeze. Some of you may have listened that if you keep your eyes open when you are sneezing, your eyeballs will come out. But that's not the correct one. Is it mandatory to close our eyes when we sneeze? No, it's not compulsory for us to close our eyes when we sneeze. Many of them have proved by keeps their eyes wide open when they sneeze. Nothing bad happened to them. Will we die if we won't sneeze? No, there are no any cases in the history showing someone died because of holding sneeze. Speed of the sneeze. It's nearly 160 kilometers per hour or 100 miles per hour. Is sneezing good or bad? Good. Sneezing is always good as it's a cleaning mechanism. Will something bad happens when we sneeze? No, nothing bad is going to happen when we sneeze. Best example is it's me. I keep on sneezing during the process of my entire marriage, so nothing bad happened to me. Because I got cold at that time, so I keep on sneezing at that time and the entire marriage ritual time. So nothing bad happened to me. I'm a happily married woman, so nothing bad happens even though someone sneezes at something good is happening when something good is happening. Can we sneeze while sleeping? No, actually, the nerves which carry the message to the brain, the nasal nerves which carry the message to the brain that something pollutant enters into our nose, those nerves are also sleeping when we are sleeping. Funny fact, a person named Donna Griffith sneezed for 976 days. It's very much funny. So friends, if you I think you in this video we may have cleared some of the superstitious beliefs about the sneezing, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.